Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the HP LaserJet M111a, a budget laser printer that's popular for home and small office use. We'll cover everything from what's inside the box, build quality, print quality, real world performance, and also I'll compare it to the HP LaserJet M111w so you know the key difference before buying. So let's get started. After opening the box, we can see the printer unit itself and other things that HP included. Inside the box you can find the power cord too, which might be different based on what country you bought the printer in, because power outlets may vary in different countries. So based on my experience, always make sure to check the power cord and its information. The other thing you can find inside the box is this USB cable that lets you connect your printer to your PC or to your laptop. This cable is very important as it is the only way that you can connect your PC or laptop to your printer. Finally, you can see the quick setup guide and warranty information inside the box, and it is good to read them before you start using your printer. Moving to the printer itself, inside the printer you can see the pre-installed toner cartridge, which you have to prepare it before the first use. Make sure to read the information that is sent with the printer and make it ready for the first use. If you want to know the cartridge model that comes with this printer, it is the 150A model. This is very important because some people want to see how much it costs and its availability in their location before purchasing the printer itself. So after preparing the cartridge for first time use, I went ahead and put it back inside the printer, and now it's ready for some printing. All you have to do is to connect it to the power and also connect the USB cable to your laptop or to your PC. There are minimal buttons on the printer. HP keeps it simple. This is a basic laser printer designed for straightforward black and white printing. So all you have to do now is to turn on the printer. Since this is the M111a model, it doesn't have Wi-Fi and you have to plug it in and connect it via USB as I mentioned earlier. If you want Wi-Fi, that's where the M111w differs. We'll talk about it in a minute. For now, I'm going to use USB only. So once connected, HP installs automatically on Windows based on my experience. As you can see, it installs without extra software needed. Now let's talk about print quality and speed. This thing is fast for what it is. It prints about 20 pages per minute according to HP, and in my real test it feels very close to that. Text prints are very good quality and even graphics look clean for a budget printer. So should you buy the HP LaserJet M111a? If you want a reliable, simple, fast black and white printer for everyday use and you don't need wireless, then yes, this is a solid budget pick. It has a good price, dependable, and gets straight to the point. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below with what printer or tech you want me to review next. Thanks for watching and have a great day.